Hello miners and those who will start mining soon. In this video I want to speak and talk about one of the best ASIC miners so far from Bitmain. And what is an ASIC miner? ASIC miner is an application-specific integrated circuit. It is built specifically for one purpose, and it is mining. I know you might be confused, but it is not the same as logic integrated circuit, although it also contains semiconductor chips that implement operations. So the name of the ASIC is S19XP, and it is produced by one of the biggest ASIC miners manufacturers called Bitmain. This ASIC is much more energy efficient than the previous one, and by much more I mean it's 27% less electricity consumption per terahash. And you're like, what the hell is terahash? Well, it's like kilograms or liters. In other words, something you use to measure something else. In crypto world, miners' validations are measured in those hashes. I think you prefer if I could speak about something else, but let's just finish it quickly. The hash rate is the speed at which cryptocurrency miner operates. So each ASIC has its own hash rate, such as megahash, terahash, gigahash. Speed is the most important part of mining operation. That is why each day those manufacturers are trying to build most efficient yet powerful mining machine. S19XP was presented by Bitmain on WDMS, World Digital Mining Summit. This year it was, I think, on the 4th of November in Dubai. So speaking of computing power, S19XP will have 140 terahash a second, and it will also provide 37% more hash power per kilowatt hour, and all of that on the same SHA-256 algorithm. The release date for us, basic individuals, is I think 22nd of July next year, but Bitmain chose 5 companies who will be able to acquire those beasts earlier. I'm not here to tell you their names, let's just stay focused on the ASIC. The chip which is used in S19XP is 5 nanometers, and it is produced in Taiwan, and I think like almost every chip is from there, if I'm guessing right. Anyway, now the most important thing I wanted to tell you guys, please don't fall for those websites who pretend to have this ASIC miner already, or at least like on pre-order. Like seriously, like it's not yet released, and when it will be, Bitmain will tell about it. So basically you can follow them on Twitter or go to their website like daily and just check when it's gonna be available. And I suggest you to purchase it directly from Bitmain, since it's easier. And well, not all the time, of course. Sometimes it's better to use some retailers, but still, that's the best option. Currently, I have S19J 104 terahash a second, and it's doing pretty well, although consumption leaves a lot to be desired. 3068 watts per hour, it's a lot. And currently, I'm facing one problem. I don't have enough power. I mean, like the power board or circuit board, it's not yet compatible with that amount. So what I need to do right now is I need to, well, I guess make it more powerful, of course, with the help of special equipment. Not just change the whole circuit board, because I think I would need some special PDU. And I made an earlier video about it, and this video is not yet finished because I faced a problem with installation there, and I'll need to finish this and then I can show it to you, or maybe I'll upload it next time. And currently I'm waiting for the special parts from the company based in US, and this company is working specifically with cryptocurrency miners, and they're doing some easy solutions for them in terms of like technical parts. So I hope the import fees in Switzerland are not that high, so I don't need to pay a lot on the parts I'm waiting from them. And honestly, like you cannot get it, like, I mean, you cannot go on their website and purchase it unless you're in the US. I think I got lucky by talking to one of their staff, and the guy accepted to ship it directly from US to Switzerland. Well, so I'll make a separate video on it so you can see it, and I will talk about electricity, and I will make electricity is gonna be the separate topic of my video, because I don't think that I was speaking about it previously, and I was mostly mentioning like ventilation. It's also important, but electricity is like super important, like factor you need to consider here. So to end this video here, I just wanted to tell you guys that you need to be patient and extremely careful when you're purchasing something online, because there are a lot of scammers who are just waiting for your money. And if you want to start mining today, try to get your hands on something which is really available from the manufacturers or from the trusted suppliers. Just try to get your hands on something small. You don't need to go big straight away when you're starting, unless, well, if you can afford it, of course, why not? But to play it safe, you need some time to see how it works. I would suggest you try to build your own mining rig, like using the GPUs, because GPUs, I think it's quite easier to find nowadays, apart from like different super powerful ones. But try to build it yourself. You will see how exactly it all works, how to install it, how to fix it. So if you build it, you will be able to fix it as well. And then during this process, you will go through all different forums where you can see how other people are building it, so they can help you, and then you could help somebody else. So it's like a big community of cryptocurrency miners all over the internet, and try to be a part of it. And I'm telling you all this because cryptocurrency is not just cryptocurrency mining is not just something you buy an equipment, you plug it in, you start mining. There are risks, and you need to consider them before you start doing that, because you invest your money inside it, and you need to be sure that you're playing it safely. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this little video. Have fun mining, enjoy your profits, and bye bye.